If you're like me, you build high expectations of what should be done or accomplished in a day, and if it's not met, feel like you failed. Of course, these are high expectations we've set for ourselves. Being an introvert gives me plenty of time to think, to plan, and yes, that's when those high expectations come in. I often put more on my plate than I can handle, which makes me strive harder. But there does come a time when I have to disconnect from the overthinking. I have to disconnect from looking at my phone, click off social media, turn off the television, and sometimes even the music is too loud. I need silence. With today's tech, I find myself watching other people's lives, wondering why their lives look so simple and complete, while mine feels so complex, like the missing pieces of a jigsaw puzzle. I'm learning to find my own joy and make my own peace with nature, and I'm creating cozy spaces that make me feel alive and not feel rushed. As I walk through the grass, I feel the earth under my feet. This is actually called grounding. It's our way of connecting with the beautiful planet Earth. Science says that it actually heals our human bodies. I feel the breeze of the wind, see the budding of the flowers, and the small pears growing on my pear tree. If I'm still and aware, I hear nature making all its unique sounds. The birds having conversations from afar, all the wonderful living things around me striving for more life. I want to say to anyone, whether introvert or extrovert, stop listening to the chatter in your head that tells you that you must do more and be more, and that one day you'll be able to slow down and enjoy your life. You can enjoy your life right now, right here. This is an opportunity. Every day that you wake up here is definitely a gift. Sure, you might have some career, relationship, or financial issues going on, but in reality, who on this earth is not going through something? Yes, one day I will leave this earth. I will be pushing up my own daisies, and without doubt, I will still be owing some type of debt. But I hope that I will have loved the way I want it and truly live my life with some meaning. For today, I just want to take in all the peace my body and mind can take in. As I get older, I don't stress over the things that don't really matter, like what the neighbors or my friends have achieved, or how much I should be earning or achieving at my age, or if someone did or didn't call me. I plan my meals and enjoy them like I'm at the finest restaurant. I can sit in my backyard or on my front deck and be just as satisfied as if I was sitting on a bench in a park. And when it comes to entertainment, I make time to enjoy my favorite shows, usually one right before going to bed. I say all of this to say you only have this one life. Enjoy it your way. Start this moment. To you, it was always racing for time, feeling like you never get enough done in a day. Get out and enjoy nature. Take some time and create some cozy spaces for yourself, inside or outside. Yes, you will have to get back to the routine of things, probably as early as tomorrow, but at least you'll have these cozy comfort spots to fall upon when you need to calm your mind and your body.